Best infrared sauna for sale. Number 1. Heatwave Infrared Sauna for Sale. The far infrared sauna is heated by a built-in carbon crystal heating plate. There are 3 carbon heating panels. Each heater is precisely placed for even, steady heat. Only within 5 minutes can be heated. Far infrared sauna is a dry sauna. All you need to do when using a far infrared sauna is to carry a towel to wipe off the sweat. This portable sauna is a PVC pipe structure, which is easy to install and disassemble and has the characteristics of being sturdy, stable and not easily deformed. The fabric of the sauna tent is waterproof, which has better thermal insulation performance and can keep the heat in, and it dries fast and is easy to clean.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Serene Life Infrared Sauna for Sale. Portable sauna unit. Have a mobile beauty spa or want to move your sauna dome from one room to another? Our infrared sauna is conveniently portable. You can pick it up or pack it up when need. Enjoy and relax. Use this sauna to relax after a day of work, while reading books, listening to music, play on your mobile phone, watch movies and so on. Includes sauna chair. While other saunas require you to build your own sauna room using your own stool or chair, our portable sauna comes with a comfortable and foldable sauna chair. Save money on beauty salon. The mini sauna room can service for a long time and save your money to pay to beauty salon shop.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Willow Infrared Sauna for Sale. Relax and detoxify in the comfort of your own home with our portable infrared sauna. Experience the benefits of sauna therapy anytime, anywhere, without leaving your house. Compact and easy to assemble, it's perfect for everyday use, bringing the luxury of a personal spa into your home. Hot springs, with a maximum temperature of 65 degrees, our infrared sauna provides a soothing and relaxing experience. Equipped with 6 heating plates, our sauna ensures even heat distribution and an effective detoxification process. The foot heating pad and 1250 watt heating element make for an energy efficient and fast heating experience, giving you a convenient at-home gym for post-workout recovery.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Heatwave Infrared Sauna for Sale. Far infrared heat surrounds your body, thanks to 3 low EMF carbon heating panels. Each heater is precisely placed for even, steady heat. 1 minute setup, 6 easy steps convert this handy device into a personal paradise. Simply unfold the sauna, plug it in, and enjoy nourishing warmth in any location. When you're finished, this space-saving, personal sauna easily contracts for storage. This portable sauna is easy to take on the go. A collapsible design conveniently folds for transport or storage. Its moisture-resistant fabric allows for outdoor use, making it a perfect addition to your deck or campsite.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Osmos Infrared Sauna for Sale. Time and heat can be adjusted by +/key. Time can also be set up between 1 to 60 minutes. Folding far infrared sauna tent is durable that promise a long-term safe usage. Far infrared heat surrounds your body and never have anxiety of safety. Overload protection system ensures safe use while doing spa. This personal sauna tent has a breakthrough portable design. It comes with assemblable skeleton and foldable chair, boasts the relaxing perks of a traditional sauna in a smaller, more affordable package. Provide a spa experience right in your living room. Less storage space required, can be easily stored in any corner.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.